Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore everything and beyond. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at how OWL components interact with each other in Odoo's front-end framework. If you're new here or just getting started with the Odoo web library, I recommend watching our earlier videos first, especially the ones where we build the Cheat Web module. This video builds on top of that setup. To begin, we'll add a new menu item and a new component to act as our playground. As shown on your screen, we do this by adding a new client action and a corresponding menu item in the Cheat Web View XML file. Then, we create a simple component and register it to the client action registry. Next, we'll explore the most common type of interaction between components, passing data through properties and using reactivity. We'll start by creating two components, a SimpleBox component and a SimpleText component. The SimpleBox component hosts the SimpleText component and passes a state variable as a property. It also includes a button that updates the state variable when clicked. When this happens, OWL's reactivity system automatically updates the property in SimpleText, causing the displayed text to change. You might be wondering, can a child component interact with its parent? Yes, it can. We can achieve this by passing a function as a prop to the child component. Inside SimpleText, we define a property that accepts a function. Then, in SimpleBox, we pass in a function that shows a notification when the text is clicked. This lets the child component trigger actions in the parent. Another way to enable communication between components is by using OWL's event bus. To demonstrate this, we create two new components, busbox A and busbox B. In this setup, busbox A sends data using the event bus, which is available through the environment. It triggers an event with a name and a message. Busbox B, on the other hand, listens for that event using the useBus hook. When the event is received, it updates its internal state with a message, which in turn updates the UI. If you're looking for even more control, there's another method that allows a parent component to directly access methods on a child component. We can do this by exposing methods from the child using a handle. We'll create two more components, imperative box and imperative text. In imperative text, we define a property called handle, and then expose methods through this handle using the useEffect hook. The imperative box component then calls those exposed methods whenever it needs to. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others who might benefit from this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on all our experiments and tutorials.